Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new way to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this works 2026, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, I got all the settings there, so this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it, no computer. So as you can see, we got all the options. So if you want to download it, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. You can see right here all the menus. So this is pretty wild. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool, guys. As you can see, all the settings. So this is crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is so cool. So if you want to download it, all you got to do is go ahead and go to this site. So this is the website, blockcy.com. So once you're on the website, guys, you just want to go ahead and press Get Delta, and it should download straight onto your device. So let's just go ahead and do that. You can read all about it. You can see all the stuff. So that is super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and press Get Delta here, as you can see, and now it's going to ask for my username. Now there might be a high traffic verification, but I already did it. So I'm just going to enter my username right here, as you can see. So just press continue. It's just going to search the database to make sure I have an account. So I'm going to press yes, connect. And now we're just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says import Delta Executor. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to choose which script I want. So this doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm just going to choose one right here. Press continue. And now it's going to load. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load up. So let's just let it do its thing. Alright, so I'm just going to wait and we should be good to go. So let's just see if this works or not. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on it. And let's see if this goes through. And it should work, guys. So let's see what happens. And it worked, guys. So as you can see, it says I've already got Delta installed. So yeah, be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy. So yeah, get the word out. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. So yeah, if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super crazy. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So it actually works, guys. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to try it out. Get the word out. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out, and that's how to download the Delta Executor onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. So try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super fun, and I've done many hours of research, so peace out.